And now let me show you how to use Scopus, a bibliographic indexing databases in order to find high quality articles worldwide. So first of all, as usual, you may go directly to Scopus, or you can go through library website www.liv.us. You can go to resources, then you go to databases. Then you can simply type here Scopus. Right, to save your time, then they're going to provide you with this one, so you can directly click onto the link, then they're going to bring you direct to Scopus. So as I told you earlier, Scopus is an index database where you can find majority of the peer-reviewed article from high-quality journal worldwide. Among other things, the advantage of using Scopus is they can provide you with more detailed information, including highly cited papers, and so on, as I'm going to show you later. So first of all, once you go into Scopus, let us give a try to search for material here. So you can type any keyword, and among others, if your keyword is more than one word, you may put them in code like this one. So for example, I try to search for big data. So I want to ask the system to search for me as a phrase as big data. So you can put them as this one, then you can click search. But if your keyword is only comprised of one word, so it is okay, just proceed as usual. So now let us click search, and let us see how many results that we may get. So from here, as I type just now big data, so they managed to provide me with more than 70,000, more than 75,000 results. And by default, they're going to arrange the result according to this one. Sort on date newest. So meaning that on top here is the latest article indexed by Scopus, followed by the rest of it. And as usual, before you start exploring each and every article relevant to your research, of course, you need to do a refining function, as you can see from the left-hand side here. So you better refine first until you get the most relevant result to yourself. Only then you can start downloading them. So let us give a try. For example, from here, once you get the result, maybe you want to refine by year. So it again depends on your specialization. So if usually if it is related to technology, of course you need a shorter time of period as compared to those who are doing research related to history and so on. So you may need a longer period of time. So you may choose from the list here. You can also refine by author name if you kind of looking for very specific expert in your field. So you can choose them from here. Otherwise, you just leave it. You can also choose your subject area, because sometimes your keyword might be a cross multidisciplinary kind of specialization. So you may choose from here as well. If you cannot find your subject area from the list here, you can simply click view more in order to see more option for you. So you can choose them, or even you can choose more than one. And you can move forward by refining according to document type. You can also refine by publication stage, source title, where it is published, or the journal title, keyword, affiliation, funding, and so on. So you may refine them until you get the most relevant one. Next, another thing that you can do with Scopus is, instead of viewing them according to date news or the recent article, it is also good for you to click, and you may choose from the list here so many other options, but I want to focus on to this one. You can go to this one, cited by highest. So you can click this one. So what going to happen is they're going to arrange the same result, but this time they arrange according to the highest citation received. So why do I bring you to this information? Because usually when we want to get material for our research or for our thesis, for example, in order to produce our literature review or chapter 2, of course, we need to refer to the best article. And in the academic world, in order to find the best article, of course, it is related to the citation received. So the higher the citation receives, it is an indication of the quality of that paper, because more people refer to that article. So you can find that information in Scopus. So after you refine your search accordingly, then you can choose this one, sort on by cited by highest. You're going to get the best paper according to your keyword. So next, you can start looking for the full text of that article, download them, read them, analyze them, and put them into your own literature review. So it is like a domino process as well. If you are referring to a good paper, so hopefully you're going to produce a good one as well. So in order to download, for example, right now you already know that it is among the best paper in my field. So maybe I want to download the first 20 or first 50 article in the list. To download, what you need to do is, okay, you can give a try with this one. Click view at publisher. For example, I need this one, this article. I click view at publisher. They're going to bring me direct to publisher's website. And the probability that you're going to get the PDF is depending on library subscription again. So if library do subscribe, or it is a kind of open access article, thank God, because you're going to get the PDF. Otherwise, okay, you're going to get only abstract. Okay, for this one, I managed to get the PDF, so you just download from here. Let me see. All right, so I managed to get, so you can download or you can even print it out. How about the article that you cannot get the full text? For example, let me give a try with this one. Okay, this one also I managed to get the full text, because the full text, so library is subscribed to this article. If you cannot find the full text, for example, you go to any article, suddenly you find out that you cannot get the full text. I give you another alternative where you need to request through interlibrary loan. So you can go to library website, www.lib.asn.my. Go to services and click this one, interlibrary loan services. Then fill in this form, interlibrary loan form for article. Okay, verify yourself using your USM email address. Then the rest you need to fill in the form by providing your personal information, email and so on. then you need to fill in the information about the article that you are looking for. So you just copy and paste from Scopus, like title, author name, year, volume, issue, and so on. So after you fill in, submit, then I will start going to search it into open access or free platform. If you cannot find it, then we go to the next step where we're going to ask from our colleagues, librarian from public universities library. If they provide us with the PDF, then we're going to send it directly through your email. So that's the alternative that you can use in order to get the material. So this is how you can use Scopus in order to find high quality papers for your own research.